In this video, we're going to show you how to delete one of your pages. Okay, so we are back in the back end of the website looking at the pages. You will see when you hover over the options, you have edit, trash, you have the button on the left hand side. So what you can do is you can go into the page that you don't want anymore or you want to delete. You can click the box. You can click multiple items if you'd like, and you can click move to trash, apply, and that will now move those pages into trash. Don't worry if you didn't mean to delete that you still have the page available to you. You'll see above here we've got published pages, draft pages, and trash. So we can go back into trash and we can see the two pages that we've just deleted, and we can click restore. Now that we've restored the page will now be live again. And that's been a quick tip helping you build out your website by breaking it down into bite-sized chunks.